Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please do subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed already. Today we'll be learning how to turn on dark theme on YouTube. To do so, go to your YouTube application. Now on the top corner you can see a profile. Tap on it and then tap on setting option. There you can see the second option saying general. Tap on it and then tap on appearance. Then it will give you three options. One is use device theme, another one is dark theme, and then last one is light theme. Device theme means theme of your device. Not all the phone have the dark theme, so tap on dark theme and then your YouTube application will open in dark theme. That is all for the video. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Also, like the video if it helped you and do subscribe for similar contents.